Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rupjyoti Goswami, Senior Consultant, Obstetrician and Gynecologist, and I have been working as a gynecologist for last 23 years. Here I am going to speak about menopause. Actually, what is menopause? So menopause is cessation of menstruation for 1 year. So after attaining menopause, a lady faces lot of problems like hot flushes, bone pain, then sleeplessness. Basically, the lady she feels that there is loss of femininity. So in that case, we can support the lady with lot of treatments which are available nowadays, and we have to go for regular checkup of a postmenopausal lady. Basically, a breast examination and an ultrasound is a must, and even a pap smear. And in postmenopausal cases, we can go for supplement, we can go for hormone replacement therapy, or there are other modes of treatment which are not hormone related, and patient can enjoy the menopause with the medicines or with the supplements. Thank you.